Balkan ulara yakamat kabayday baka Kynram kabalane happening KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council but Meghalaya Urban Development Authority halo Jingbit ban Shna hapo Meghalaya Building Bylaws ajar arpuway. Uba khan ula Kyntu ya Executive Committee kabalam khmat da kaseng Voice of the People's Party ban Pynbeit ya kanekamat. Nagawa penkenmau wala pentip ya KHADC baka don ya bo ban ya permit Shna hapo shalom bak kijaka bermarkam. Kanega Kynram wala kadau da MDC ke laban mau prem uba Ricky Shulai kalalam syakajing kulmar kabalakta ya kinong shnong.
Think about this is a new thinking. So I really appreciate the questioner of bringing this discussion. So what I would like to as I have spoken in the House, the map should be referred to the map of the Himans and Ilakas. What is the criteria to settle the boundary issue? It have to depend on documents. So, as the CM of Milliam has brought us the documents of the Hima, I mean the boundary, the map of the respective Hima. So, the boundary of the council or the boundary of the state also should be according to their maps. That is our stance.
Nongialam